people say that using AI to help finish your music is cheating.
The piano once replaced the harpsichord. Electric guitars changed rock and roll. Multi-track recording let one musician sound like a full band. Every new tool sparked the same worry: is this still real music?
Staring to a fire.
The song clip you just listened to was written and performed by me. Years later, I fed the original recording into Suno AI and prompted it to cover the song, which you can hear in the second clip.
Staring to a fire. Close your eyes and turn away.
The heart of a song is an idea.
Well, let me tell you a story about a woman and love who having troubles with a man. I'd say it's so.
It seems everything she'd say and everything she'd do, it don't make no difference to her man. I'd say it's true when she'd sing la 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 la, and she'd sing la, la.
AI can help you explore possibilities faster, fill in gaps, and bring unfinished ideas across the finish line. But the direction and the taste and the soul of the music still belong to the artist.
Darkest hour, I'll wait for you there. Though you cross 1,000 miles, I'll find you anywhere. Or you can try to hide, run away if you dare. Now look into the mirror, can't escape from my stare. It's you.
I wrote a song 25 years ago. I want to update it with new lyrics and for a modern audience.
Someone help me, think I'm going crazy. Feel like I'm lost in a zombie, baby.
That effing jammer's never gonna get past me. Think my broken elbow's healing nicely.
Someone told John that this would be a great song if someone else was singing it. Were they right?
It holds a key to heal the savage beast and elevate me from my troubles.
In the very least, spend my day with silly rhymes and singing simple songs, where I finally found a world, a place where I belong.
So, without John, I wouldn't exist.
And you wouldn't get to experience great new music like this.
When tickets were cheap, the dream was alive. Rock out to the tunes with the whole crowd high. I really can't afford it, but I gotta try.
Read it once, laughed out loud, read it twice, not so proud. Those three dots started dancing and then I hit post like I meant it. Now pretend I didn't send it. Too damn old to be canceled again.
AI can be a collaborative partner in the strange, beautiful process of making music. creating space for more voices while honoring the creators who came before.